As more and more residents move to College Station for education and work, the city is looking at areas it can expand into. As it turns out, extraterritorial jurisdiction will be a big factor in that growth. KAGS HD News reporter Ian Smith met with the city today. He joins us in the studio. In what exactly is extraterritorial jurisdiction?
Zach, extraterritorial jurisdiction, commonly known as ETJ, is the area around a city that can be annexed. For College Station, that is a 3.5-mile area that surrounds the city's southern, eastern, and western borders. This area and the communities in it can be annexed if they are not incorporated themselves. As it turns out, ETJ is a big part of College Station's long-term growth plan. With more growth coming in, more land will eventually be needed.
We're looking at areas for additional single-family housing. We're looking for areas for economic development, job growth, job creation.
The state says the area beyond city limits can be available when it comes to a city's expansion. However, areas that are annexed would need to receive certain services from the city.
When you're looking at what services the city of College Station is going to provide as we annex property, it's going to be different with each property that we look at.
The city's services to be provided will depend on what services are already in place in the areas being annexed. A few years ago, Wellborn was annexed by College Station. Water service was already in place, as was electric, but it needed something else.
We had to build a sewer line through there because there were commercial establishments that required sewer service so that their service would be similar to what's in the city.
Annexing and infrastructure are also part of the bigger picture.
The City of College Station plans out into the future, 20 years or more, when we're looking at our land uses and our water lines and our streets and those types of things. It's long-range planning that we do.
College Station does have an annexation task force in place to look at future areas of expansion. The group looks at projected growth to decide which areas would be best to extend the city limits.